Hey guys, Moneymaker001 here. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create scalable templates for Redbubble so that you can create designs in very less period of time and bulk upload those designs to Redbubble. In this way, you can get extra benefit and you can earn more money because you can just invest less time and make more designs. This is going to be really interesting. Keep watching this video till the end.
A few moments later.
Computer screen, and I'm going to show you that secret which is utilized by most of the people to create scalable design templates. Now these are the templates which you can utilize directly, and you can make multiple designs out of just one template, because this can save you a lot of time and you can make a lot more designs in very less period of time. So now let's jump straight into Canva and I will show you. So this is one of the examples of template which is scalable. Okay, so I have just created this, got this simple template over here, and now what I'm gonna do is that I have just written here straight out of Tokyo. Okay, so you can see here the template is straight out of Chicago. In the same way, I just recreated this in my way and I written straight out of Tokyo. Now what I will do is that I have just made this, and then I can just download this over here with a transparent background or using Canva, because I'm a Canva Pro user. So in this way I have just got the design straight out of Tokyo. Then what I can do is this, I can just change the city name. I can just write here straight out of Chicago. I can write straight out of New York. I can write straight out of London, straight out of South Africa, straight out of any of the place. Okay, you can write here country, you can write here city, you can write here anything whatever you want. So in this way you can get a lot of designs created in a very less period of time using Canva. Okay, and this is something which I am really doing to scale my store and create so many designs in just a single day, because this is really effective and this helps you to make so many designs in a very less period of time. This is how many of the creators upload a lot of designs. They are saying that many of the YouTubers on YouTube say that they upload hundreds of 50 designs per day on Redbubble. So this is how they do it. This is how they just create scalable templates and then just make designs out of that template. Okay, so this is what is the trick which you need to use, and this is how you can upload so many designs to Redbubble and make extra money out of it.
One eternity later.
The entire strategy in which you are going to create scalable designs for Redbubble and you are going to upload it to the platform, and in this way you are going to get a very good competitive advantage and you are going to make more sales. I hope you have got some value out of this video, so just press the like button, smash the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.